took a walk with the palm trees as the daylight fell. Sangria in the canteen, talking to myself. This tattoo on my left hand is turning purple as blue. Daydreams of the romance, daydreams of you. My pretty woman in a ball gown, I'm Richard Gere in a tux. Getting married in the courthouse, writing vows in a rush. A thesis on Islam, virgin brides and arranged marriage, hijabs and polygamous husbands, those poor un-American girls. After school she ran to me, jumped on my 5.0. This is the home of the brave, land of the free, but your parents still didn't know. She said, I've had a hell of a summer, so baby, don't take this hard. But maybe we should get another before this goes way too far. Oh, just an American wedding, they don't mean too much, they don't last enough. We had an American wedding, now what's mine is yours. American divorce, where you can have my Mustang, that's all I've got in my name. But Jesus Christ, don't break my heart, this wedding ring won't ever wipe off. But if you stay, oh if you stay, you'll probably leave later anyway. It's love made in the USA.